What's the meaning of crown green bowls? Crown green bowls. Crown green bowls.
Crown green bowls. Crown green bowls. Crown green bowls is a sport played predominantly in northern England and the Midlands. It involves rolling biased balls, known as woods, towards a smaller target ball, the jack, on a grass field with a slight crown or hump in the middle. The aim is to get your woods as close to the jack as possible, while also attempting to block your opponent's shots. The player with the closest wood to the jack at the end of a game is the winner. Crown green bowls is a challenging and strategic sport that requires skill, patience, and precision.